Tired of manually sending WhatsApp messages and looking for a smarter way to connect with your audience? Let's get into it. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the WhatsApp section. Find and click the prominent Send Message button to start composing your message. Here, you'll see a message composition window. Enter the recipient's phone number in the designated field. You can either type it in manually or select from your existing contacts now. Craft your message. In the message body section, you have the option to type a custom message, or for quicker sending, you can select a pre-approved message template from the drop-down menu. Aisensy lets you personalize your messages. You can add dynamic variables like name, order ID, or other custom data fields to create tailored experiences for each recipient. Just use the available placeholders to insert these variables directly into your message. Before sending, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. When you are satisfied, click the send button. Your message is now on its way to your recipient. Aisensy provides real-time tracking and analytics for all your messages. Monitor the status of your sent messages, track delivery rates, and analyze engagement metrics to optimize your campaigns. This allows you to see which of your messages have been read and keep track of customer engagement.